So we're in Clovis, California. We're taking a look at a leak on the exterior wall. Of course, right now we're in the bathroom. Exterior wall, you've got water all up and down the stucco. We'll take a picture of that in a minute. But we can see right in here across the top. It's hard to tell, but you can see the glistening. That's water over the tile, and it's running down this grout line here. It's hitting the bottom, so you can see it's flooding toward the back right there. And then, of course, down in the tub. And so something's happening in the wall. We're not sure where they, well, I bet you that's where they brought it in right here. Look. So this is the tub cavity. They've got waters that come over to this valve right here. Sorry about all the jumping around. So normally they're going to come straight down a wall, but you've got a window and a window and a window. So this is where the leaking's at, on this wall. Nothing is wet on the wall. There's, you know, maybe we feel a little bit of like coldness, but we can't really tell what's going on. But we just found this right now. We're out here earlier today, and you can see this right here. That's water. And so we got to get up here, open the wall, open the ceiling, see what we can do, and we'll take another video when we're done. So we're still here in Clovis, California. We haven't taken a picture outside, but we went ahead and cut the wall up here. We were pretty confident what it was or what it is, and so you can probably see all the mist flying around right in here. Okay, so that's from water hitting the roof line. You can see the OSB board, the 1/2 inch OSB, this material right here, and everything's saturated. So top plates all the way around, and then of course blocking down here, studs. So more than likely a lot of this area, and this will depend on a water restoration company. A lot of the sheetrock's going to have to come off. You have to put dryers in here and get this, resolved. It's a separate issue than the plumbing leak, and that's not our department, but we just want to document that all the water up here. What you have, it'd be kind of hard to tell because it's back against, it's at the very bottom of this hot line. I'm going to put my hand here though, and you can see right now my hand's dry. And I put my hand down here at the bottom, and you can see all the spraying off of there, right? And you can also see that my hand is soaked. So it is approximately 1/2 inch up from the top of this plate, which means the only way to repair it, we got to cut it up here. We got to cut it down here, put a new piece of pipe through, because there's no way to repair that right there. It's right, like I say, 1/2 inch flush with the plate there, about 1/2 inch high. So anyways, I just want to document that, and then we'll get it repaired and take another video when we're done. We're still in Clovis, California. We finished doing the repair up here. You can see existing pipe, the hot water line red, and then a shark bite coupling there. We don't use type B. That's a type B PEX. I'm not sure who the manufacturer is, but we use type A, Uponor. And so shark bite coupling, you can see the translucent white. That's Uponor tubing. So brand new piece all the way down into the wall, shark bite coupling again, back to your piping. So that's the repair that's done. And of course, their inspection fee for coming out, and of course, the demo, and then the repair. And so we'll document this, all a video document. We'll also document it on paper, and the homeowner will get a receipt of that, and they'll be able to submit that to the insurance company for a claim. Outside of that, this repair is done.